Hello MVP. Here's a quick video on how to read a heat sheet. In the email you will see attached here, it'll say the weekend heat sheet. That is the same as this here. If you're new, how to read the heat sheet, you will have the event number, the description of the event. The bold right here is what heat. So the first number is what heat they're on, of how many heats. So in event 1, girls 50-yard butterfly, there are 4 heats. So in heat 1, it looks like we have Lily Quinn, Peyton Robbins, and Zoe Fellerman. So if they were writing the events on their hands or arms, we have kids write on their quads as well. They would do just a little chart similar to this where it says event, the heat, the lane. You would type in write in the event number, the event description, the heat, and the lane. So if we go back to this example here, if Lily was writing the events on there, it would be event 1, 50 butterfly. She is heat 1, lane 3. Alright, and if we just want to do one more example, let's say we have Rylan Booer down here. He is in heat event 2. So he would write event 2, 50 fly on his hand. And then he is heat 3, and he is in lane 10. So that is the information that you would write on your arm to help your swimmers just kind of navigate the meet so they know where they're at.